Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to explain the water cycle. Do you remember? The first step is when the sun hits the water from rivers, lakes, seas, oceans. This process is called evaporation. Then the water vapor gets cold and forms the clouds. They are moved by the wind. This process, in which clouds are formed, is called condensation. Then, when the clouds get big and water falls down like rain, snow, or hail, precipitation takes place, and then the water comes back again to the rivers or lakes or oceans. Okay, so right now we're going to start over again with the explanation, but now you have to help me, okay? Are you ready? Let's start with the first step of the water cycle. Do you remember what is it? Yes, you're right. This is evaporation. Very good. And do you remember what is it? Yes, in the evaporation, the sun hits the water from lakes, rivers, or oceans. So the sun evaporates the water. Do you know the next step? Come on, think about it. Very good. This is condensation. And can you explain it, please? Yes, in the condensation, water vapor gets cold and form the clouds. The clouds are moved by the wind. And then let's go with the last step. Do you remember what happened next? Yes, you know. What is the name of this step? Yes, precipitation. Very good. And can you explain what happens here in the precipitation step? Come on, think about it. So, in the precipitation, the clouds get big and water falls down like rain, snow, or hail. Very good, you did it very well. So then remember that water comes back again to rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans, and then the water cycle starts again with evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Very good. Okay, children, remember you can watch these videos all the times you need in order to learn all the contents. I hope you like them. So, bye bye.